Good morning, children. Today we will start with a new chapter, Physical and Chemical Changes. First of all, tell me what is a change? Change means whenever one object is changing into some other object, means we can observe the change, we call it a change. It is changing its shape, color, or its form. Okay, that is called as a change. There are so many changes we can observe in our surroundings. Can you tell me any one change? Yes, you can list some of the changes that are taking place in our day-to-day life. We can observe them on a daily basis, right? Some examples of changes I have written here. First of all, when you make a lemonade, you add sugar and salt and you dissolve it in water. Now you cannot find the sugar or salt in the water. Can you find it? No, you cannot find it. Means it is a change. The sugar and salt has changed its state, right? Next, milk is changing into curd. Here the milk changes its properties and now it has converted into curd. Milk is sweet in taste but curd is sour in taste. Similarly, when we stretch a rubber, the rubber has changed its shape. A stretched rubber is much longer than a normal rubber, right? When we cut the paper into small pieces, it has changed its number, right? One piece has been cut into many pieces. Can we join the pieces again? No, we cannot join the pieces again. But the paper will remain as paper only, right? Now, when chalk is powdered, and again if we want to join the chalk powders of the chalk, we have to make a paste by adding some water to it and then we have to compress it. Can we make a chalk again from the chalk powder? You just find it out. Okay, this is your activity. Again, the ice is melt when it is kept at room temperature. It melts into water. Again, if you keep this melted ice in the freezer, it will again get converted into ice, right? This is a physical change. Again, when you are heating water, it gets converted into water vapors. This is called as steam. If you keep a plate slightly above the water, heated water, means boiling water, the steam gets collected on the plate in the form of small droplets. Okay, this condensed steam is now in the form of water. This is called as condensation. This is also a change. Rusting of iron. Have you seen that iron gets rusted if we keep it in moist areas? Rusted iron, you have iron nail you must have seen in your houses. Okay, this iron gets rusted over many days when it is kept in the presence of moisture, air and humidity. Okay, humid air. Okay, again, one very common example of a change is the caterpillar changes into a butterfly, right? The caterpillar is not that beautiful, but butterfly is such a beautiful animal, such a beautiful insect, right? It is also a change that we observe in our daily life. Again, another example is when we burn the paper in fire, it gets converted into ashes. Now we cannot convert these ashes into paper again, right? These are few examples of changes. You can note down many other changes if you find it out. So it is your homework to note 5 changes that you observe in your daily life and note it down. Okay, and send it to me, Ma'am Sanchari. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this, you can call me. Thank you.